Hi, this is RJ Mansa with yet another episode of Hype Check for Fever FM. With me, I have Divyansh helping me out today. I'll tell you why. Because we are here to talk about Indians, Bollywood celebrities at Cannes 2025. I do not want to talk about what they're wearing because Cannes Festival is not about what they're wearing, right? You want to say hello?
Hello.
Say hello nicely. Say hello.
Hi.
So a lot of people, they think, let's talk about what this celeb is wearing, who's the designer, and they just dress up and go. Influencers are there. Let's talk about the movies that are getting screened there. No, Cannes is all about that. This is what I say, but a lot of people still want to talk about clothes. So Divyansh will fulfill that, aspect. He'll talk about what the celebs are wearing. I'll talk about the movies. 5 big movies, 5 good movies are getting screened. One, Homebound.
Starring Ishan Khattar and Vishal.
Yes, and Janhvi is only doing a cameo in that. It's about 2 boys wanting to be in the police service, because they want to gain some sort of respect in the society. A lot of people think like that, no? Sarkari job ka keeda. And then there is also Tanvi the Great. Anupam Kher Saab he has produced it, directed it. And it's a heartwarming trailer, about a girl who is autistic and she wants to fulfill her father's dream. And then we also have Charak.
Yep.
About the Bengali festival Charak. And then we also have a doll made of clay, a Nigerian footballer wanting to make it big. These are the movies that are getting screened. A classic is also there. Sharmila Tagore ji is there for a Satyajit Ray's movie called Aranyar Din Ratri. Aranyar Din Ratri. I fumble every time I take the name for some reason. Yeah. So these are the movies and they are lovely movies. Looks like it. We should check it out. Now, Janhvi landed there.
Yes.
Last May.
Yes.
He has a lot to say about Janhvi Kapoor. What do you think?
I think her look is not working. I think she's trying hard.
The gaon ki chori, damsel in distress wala vibe.
The fabric is just bad, and she has like a 5-minute role, and she's outshining everyone there. She's the most overdressed.
I think everybody is mistaking Cannes for Met Gala.
The looks,
yeah. Because Karan Johar looks like he was dressed to go to the Met Gala. He's like, मैं वहाँ नहीं गया, problem नहीं, उसी theme पे dress होके मैं यहाँ चला जाऊँगा.
He looks very dapper, very dapper.
He looks good, but this is not Met Gala is what I'm trying to say.
So, I get it.
Yeah. And Urvashi Rautela's Tota.
She looks like a Tota, man, herself.
I'm not saying anything.
She didn't care about the rules. She's like, okay, in your face, I'm going to dress up however I want.
Okay, coming to the rules. Cannes 2025 has some serious rules this year, and Divyansh knows all about it. Tell them.
So basically, it's like no poofy dresses, nothing which can stop the way of another person, and no nudity, no selfies.
Yeah.
And but no one is caring about the looks because they have planned it since like January.
But we don't care. Follow the rules.
Yeah, but they are like, whatever I have, I'll wear.
Janhvi Kapoor broke the rules. She's wearing one extravagant, dress.
Yeah, even Urvashi, man.
Urvashi was... anyway, imagine these people wearing these grand dresses and sitting and watching a movie. Next to them, there'll be somebody. They'll be like, oh God, can you take that? Can you take that? Can you take... Ye ho jayega.
Nitanshi Goyal also made her debut for the Cannes Film Festival.
I know. She was looking cute.
Her looks are nice, but again, not on the rules.
There was Jackie. There were so many people. But let's talk about the movies also. Homebound is looking so promising. Tanvi the Great is looking so promising. Right? When you look at the Hollywood celebrities, a lot of them, like for example, Pedro Pascal.
Yeah.
All of them, they're in their t-shirt and jeans and, trousers. So simple. They're there for a movie screening. Right?
They're giving movie the importance more than the looks.
I think India as a country become obsessed with clothes, man.
Yeah.
Honestly, everyone wants to look pretty all the time.
Yes, so true.
On that note, have you caught up with any of the movies that are getting screened in Cannes? As in, do you know anything at all about these movies? I want to end on that note. Yeah? With this is RJ Manasa signing out. Have a good one. We'll see you next week.
Fever FM happening.